My glory days and heydays will be with you, for you deserve all the fame and fortune in the world. The only mine you make me cry is when you recite me those lovely poems. I cannot keep romance far from you. Loving you has breathed a new lovely joy in me. If I should die this very day, I will be grateful I spend my life with you. You are the reason of ways created, and you make a difference in my world that I cannot overlook. If love was in classes, you be in the first class cabinet. I love you better than you now. I do not to make any mistake with you, for I will do seek to be a perfectionist for you. You must be my promised land, cause when you arrived in my heart, you flooded my world with milk and honey. I cannot afford your love, but it you gifted it to me, and I promise to cherish it for the rest of my life. You are the icing on my cake. You take away every brightness when I cannot write song. You be my melody, and when I cannot see the beauty of the world, you be the glory I see. I love you so much, honey. If I am lost, my love for you will not lead me astray. The role of my heart is to love you till the end. With you, I will do never yield to the temptations in this world. I will do give you a boisterous round of applause for settling my heart the way you did. I grew more loving from the day I fell in love with you. We make the best news when we make it as a couple in love till the end. I will do love you when you don't deserve it. You can count on that. A hard life just became beautiful with your arrival in my world. I love you in a special way. It is overwhelming to love you the way I do. In the midst of it all, I relish each moment. I will do sip the drink of your love until it quenches my taste, and replaces the blood that flows in my vein while I was gazing at life forlornly. You came and blew my feet away, making me the happiest man on earth with you. Loneliness is so far away from me cost to cost. I will do remain loyal to you. What we share, I can't share with another. Our dreams are beautiful than the Disney land. They make me wanna keep dreaming with you. I love you. I will do run till I catch you and hold you tight till you don't wanna leave. You unsettled loneliness in my heart and sat on the throne of love. I did not want to fall in love, but you gave me choice. You are worthy to be showered with love. You are the brightest of all the shining stars and the reason I am happy. You can never break my heart, cause joy is the only thing you are capable of giving me. I dream of you both night and day, and I love you each second of the minute. I love you, sweetie. Thanks for watching video.